Hello, welcome. Este es un nuevo video de Canal Educa para la asignatura de inglés. Esta es la unidad 2, cápsula 3. Hoy veremos Farm Animals. Somos las profesoras Sofía Escotorín y Daniela Reyes. The learning map for today's class is objective, materials, grandma's farm, activity, and our final challenge, sing together, cantemos juntos. Objective. The objective is to recognize and produce the farm animals' names in singular and plural forms. El objetivo es reconocer y decir los nombres de los animales de la granja en las formas singulares y plurales. Materials. For this class, you will need the following materials: attention, motivation, and your voice. Grandma's farm.
Hello, grandmother and grandfather.
Hello, Alex. Welcome to our farm. Bienvenido a nuestra granja. These are our farm animals. Estos son nuestros animales de la granja. What farm animals do you know? ¿Qué animales de la granja conoces? Very good. Here we have, acá tenemos a cow, pig, sheep, horse, donkey, goat.
I want to meet them, please. Quiero conocerlos, por favor.
Yes, no problem. Sí, no hay problema.
Hello, I am Alex.
Hi, I am a cow.
Cow. Repite conmigo. Cow. Cow.
Very good, cow. This is my sister. We are cows.
Cows?
Yes, with S, because we are more than one. Sí, con S, porque somos más de una. Cows.
Ah, the plural form. Ah, la forma plural. Repeat with me. Repite conmigo. Cows. Cows.
Very good, cows.
Hello, I am Alex.
Hello, I'm a pig.
Pig. Repeat with me. Pig. Pig.
Super good, pig. These are my sons. We are pigs.
Pigs. Repeat with me 3 times. Pigs. Pigs. Pigs.
Yes, pigs. Hello, I'm a sheep.
Sheep.
No, sheep. Shh. Sheep.
Sheep. Repeat with me. Sheep. Sheep.
Sheep. Very good. She is my cousin. We are sheep. Sheep. Without the S. It is an exception. Sin la S.
Esta es una excepción. One sheep, two sheep. Ah, sheep. Repeat with me. Sheep, sheep. Yes, sheep. Good job.
Hi, Alex. I'm a horse.
Horse.
No, horse.
Ah, horse. Repeat with me. Horse, horse.
Yes, very good. Horse. He is my brother. We are horses.
Horses. Repeat with me. Horses, horses.
Horses. Well done.
Hello, I'm a donkey.
Donkey. Repeat with me 3 times. Donkey, donkey, donkey.
Yes, great job. I'm a donkey. He's my father. We are donkeys.
Donkeys. Repeat with me. Donkeys, donkeys.
Donkeys. Good job. Hello, I'm a goat.
Goat,
No, goat. Goat.
goat. Repeat with me. Goat, goat. One more time. Goat.
He is my brother. We are goats.
Goats. Repeat with me. Goats, goats.
Yes, goats. Well done.
Good job. Activity.
This is a double activity. Esta es una actividad doble. You have to find the animal and then write the name in the air. Tienes que encontrar el animal y después escribir su nombre en el aire.
Where is the horse?
Yes. Now use your finger to write horse in the air. Ahora usa tu dedo para escribir horse en el aire. Stop the video and take your time. Where are the pigs? Well done! Now write pigs in the air. Where is the goat? Good! Now write goat in the air. Where are the sheep? Excellent! Now write sheep in the air. Where are the cows? Good job! Now write cows in the air. is the donkey? Yes, very good. Now write donkey in the air.
You're doing amazing!
Now our final challenge. Sing together.
Let's sing together. Cantamos juntos. Alex's grandma has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On her farm there is a cow. E-I-E-I-O. One cow here, two cows there, three cows, four cows, cows everywhere. Alex's grandma has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On her farm there is a pig. E-I-E-I-O. One pig here, two pigs there, three pigs, four pigs, pigs everywhere. Alex's grandma has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On her farm there is a sheep. E-I-E-I-O. One sheep here, two sheep there, three sheep, four sheep, sheep everywhere. Alex's grandma has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On her farm there is a horse. E-I-E-I-O. One horse here, two horses there, three horses, four horses, horses everywhere. Alex's grandma has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On her farm there is a donkey. E-I-E-I-O. One donkey here, two donkeys there, three donkeys, four donkeys, donkeys everywhere. Alex's grandma has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On her farm there is a goat. E-I-E-I-O. One goat here, two goats there, three goats, four goats, goats everywhere. Alex's grandma has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Great job!
What did we learn today? ¿Qué aprendimos hoy? Yes, we learned the farm animals. What animals do you remember? ¿Qué animales recuerdas? Yes, very good. Cow, pig, sheep, horse, donkey, goat. Remember, you can write this in your notebook. Recuerda que puedes escribir esto en tu cuaderno.
Has hecho un muy buen trabajo. Muchas gracias por aprender con nosotras. Te esperamos en un nuevo capítulo de Canal Educa. Goodbye.